Hi guys, my name is Goodluck Timoo and I'm a 100 level nursing science student, Taraba State, Jalingo. As you can look at this particular question, I would like to solve it and I think it's always the best for me to do this like almost all the time. So I want to solve this particular question and so that we'll see how it is. When a question is given to you like this, it's very simple. So the only thing you have to do is what are they asking you in that particular question. So you have to read the question, then you know what they are asking you. So here is saying that R1 is equal to 10 ohms. This particular symbol is called ohms, and said and R2 is equal to what 5 ohms. And now they're asking you what calculate the effective resistance if the resistors are connected in series and in parallel. Remember, they're asking two questions in one. They're asking you to calculate the one for series and also calculate the one of parallel. So we'll first start with the first one, number one, which is saying what series. Okay, so we are starting with series now, and what you need to know is that the formula of series is very simple. It's just RT equal to R1 plus R2. That's just the formula of series. When you're calculating series, you're going to be doing what addition. So you need to put this on your head that the formula is going to be what RT is equals to R1 plus R2. So the only thing you just have to do here is to what put in the formula the values, which is what our R1 is what 10 and our R2 is what 5. So we're going to be saying what R2 is equal to our R1 from the question here is 10 ohms, is 10. Then our plus sign will come here. R2 is what 5. So we're going to have 5. So now our R2 is going to be what 15. So what will be the unit? It will be what 15 ohms, because we are going to be doing what addition whenever you are calculating for series. Always take note of this, please. Always take note. Then the second one here is going to be number 2, say parallel. Make sure you know that the formula of parallel is also in your own head too. So the simple way in order for you to not to be confused is just RT is equal to R1 then R2 all over R2, then here will be plus sign, then R1. So the only thing you just have to know is just to substitute these particular values and put them into the formula. So we are going to be having RT is equal to, from our question here, we said our R1 is 10, our R2 is what 5 ohms. So we're just coming to what replace it. So we say our R1, sorry, this RT is equal to our R1 here, which is 10. When you take a look at this particular place, there is not any plus sign or minus sign. Just know that you're going to use multiplication sign here. We're going to say times 5 times 5, then you divide it again. Our R2 here, our R2 is 5. So from following the formula, this one will be now 5, then this plus sign will come here. This is going to be plus sign, then our R1 is 10. Okay, make sure you are following the particular the what will I say, you're following how I'm doing. So you can take your pen or biro and write it down. Just simple. Now RT is equal to 10 times 15 is it will give you 50, right? All over. When you do 5 plus 10, it will give you 15. So you say 15. You say now if you come and say this 5 into this one, it will give you 3. 10 into this one, 5 into 10 into this one, yes, into this one is going to here will be 10. So when you do 10 divided by 3 is now going to give you 3.333 ohms. So that's just how the question is, and it's just simple. This is how it is being done. So that's just the simple um, question. And if you take a look at it, is a question that is um, under a topic that we call current. So I'll be solving a lot of them, but this particular one, just try, learn it, and know it. Thank you very much.